Reviver. So I am here to unbox my steamer. Not sponsored at all. When I'm blessed with things, what I try to do is do my best to get all the things that I've been wanting, that I put off, and things that I truly need. And I've been wanting a steamer. I did my research and I seen a lot of good reviews on a couple different ones, and I decided to choose this one from Amazon. And I usually do my best to put the links below. Sometimes I forget. This is not sponsored. I don't have a code or anything. I just bought this with my own money. And I'm unboxing it for the first time in front of you. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It says, suitable for all material, organic fabrics, silks, nylon blends, cotton, plush, wool, linen, polyester blends, sequins, beads, and embroidery. Elite travel steamer, compact size with full size power. I have a measuring cup full of water, and they say that it gets hot in seconds. So this is what it looks like in the box. It comes with this part, the cord, and the actual steamer. Some instructions. Please activate your warranty and get free extended warranty with a few simple clicks. Email your name and model number to this. I will definitely do this if I enjoy it. That's something you guys shouldn't forget to do. Try to sometimes I do forget, but try to remember to register your things for warranty, because you just never know what malfunction might happen, which is not your fault. And if it's an actual manufacturing malfunction, you usually can get your product for free or get it replaced. And so here they also give you, don't give up, our support specialists are available to help you. We can answer assembly and maintenance questions as well as troubleshooting questions. So they have a contact number, a chat number, and also a email. Then it shows you the way to use the steamer on the back. And then it comes with a user manual. A lot of times we don't look at neither one. Let's be honest. 95% of us don't. Okay, so I'm taking it apart, and I guess that's the steamer part there. See with the holes. I should have put some lights on in here. And then this is the other part. I'll take this apart as well. And take this apart and put some water in it. And they say try to stay below the max line, don't go over it. So I got my water, and this is a cup of water. So let's see how much water this thing needs. So max line right there, a little over a half a cup. Set that back there so I don't knock it down. And this is great to travel with because the irons, I've had an iron before, and in the hotel, and I was so heated. No pun intended. Because the iron had like calcium, like it hadn't been used, and it put rust on my white shirt that I was wearing for a dinner cruise. This was when we were in Charleston at the Hilton. I was so peed off. I was upset about that. So that's it. Plug it in, and they say cut it on. And you wait like 30 seconds and it's ready to use. A lot of people tilt it, and they say use it straight up, don't tilt it. Oh, I guess people be trying to steam their face. It says no, do not do that. In case water is spurting out from the steamer nozzle while boiling, it might be related to high levels of minerals and acid. Please use distilled or pure water to prevent this, okay? And it says don't tilt it. Like some people like to bring it towards the garment and tilt it. Just keep it straight up. That's why it's shaped the way it is. Yeah, so there's no button or anything. Oh, I hear it already. I hear it already. There's nothing to press. I just hold it, right? I'm waiting for some steam, but this thing is gurgling. I guess we'll see the steam when it's ready, right? But I can feel it getting more powerful. And this is a wrinkle garment. Y'all see the wrinkles in this? We're going to see how this bad boy does, because we need to see some steam coming from there. Do not fill above the max line. Upright position. Boom, boom, boom. Da, da, da. See the water looking like it's getting hot. Oh, yes. This water is really... Oh, I see it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Y'all see the steam? Did y'all see it? Let's see. We're going to see how good this thing works with my dress, my maxi dress. We're going to do one side and show the difference. And just keep it up. They say the best way to do it is to hang it. Some people like to do it with the clothes laid out on the bed. I guess it's a preference. But I think to me, if it's hanging, it's so much easier because gravity helps it to remove the wrinkles as well. Y'all, do y'all see this side already? OMG. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I want to make sure my garment ain't going to fall. Do y'all see the difference? Look at the difference in the two sides. You can literally see the difference. Okay. Come through, steamer. Come through. Now I want to get this top part. I got it hanging from the TV, y'all, so don't judge me. See those wrinkles there? Let's see if we can get those out. I don't know if I'm holding it too close. Oh, wow. Okay. And this was the one that had a 4-star review and over, I think 9,000 people bought this. So I was like, oh yeah, that's absolutely high numbers of purchases and definitely a good review for it to have 4.5. It was one of the two. Okay. And see, these are the garments and the things that I'm talking about. When you have dresses and, you know, you out for the summer or traveling and you have dresses like this, you don't want to be putting this on the ironing board. It's so thin and sometimes it can flip over and it cause little creases in it. You got to re-iron it, and sometimes the heat from the iron changes it colors if you press it too long in certain areas. So you can actually see the difference from the bottom of the dress and the top of the dress. Do y'all see that? Look at the bottom of the dress and look at the top of the dress when I open it up. You can see the difference. So we're going to go down here. Okay, y'all see those wrinkles just going. All right, I like it. And this steamer was $20. This was $20. The one that I seen that someone had recommended to me was like 30 bucks, but this one had better reviews and it was 10 bucks less. So I will definitely leave the link below. See, this is bomb for weddings and just different things you have to do if you have a nice silk garment or something you don't want to iron it. I know ironing, I've ruined a lot of stuff with my heavy hands and talking and pressing and not moving the iron like I should, and it'll leave iron imprints in my clothes and stuff like that. So I definitely. Now I want y'all to see the bottom. Look at the bottom. Do y'all see the difference in the top and the bottom? I don't know if y'all really can see it, but this bad boy, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, y'all. And it is not even halfway, the water's not even halfway gone. I can literally probably do another dress. Okay, so that is my review. It's not really heavy, it's really light, it's not really big, something you definitely can put inside your suitcase. I don't know if you could take this abroad. I'm not sure. Some people said they did, some people said they couldn't. So I guess it depends on where you're flying if you go out of the country. But yeah, this is the PurSteam World's Best Steamer, and that's what it comes with. Now some other ones come with gloves. This one didn't come with a glove, so I guess for the price I get what I get. But it is a nice steamer and the reviews were amazing. So I just want to share that with you guys, and yeah, I am loving it. I'm gonna finish the bottom of this. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see how wrinkled this thing is? Like, I am in love. Look at that. They are just literally falling out. Look at that. Look at that. Watch this. They are literally dropping. Okay? Yes, come through, steamer. Come all the way through. I'm making space for you. Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got to clean up all this stuff. I did the lint roller thingy, the lint remover, and this in the same day. So I got to clean this stuff up and get ready and get prepared to nope, it's not time. I got a little bit more time before it's time to prepare dinner. But I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and review all at once. This is amazing, and I will put the link to this particular one below. I did not, this is not supported. I purchased this with my own money, so I don't have codes. Maybe when I become a big YouTuber, I can get codes and stuff to help people save their coins on these things. But no, for right now, I'm just spending my own money, and it was well worth it. So now you see, after doing that one garment, how much water is left. And there's the max line right here, and that's where the water is, and it was empty. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video later. Get us.